Alright, today we're talking about tonneau covers. What is a tonneau cover? Well, it's this canvas cover that goes on the back of a pickup bed. It offers protection, privacy, keeps the wind and the rain and the snow and the dogs out. They're easy to install. They're relatively inexpensive. I just bought this one for about $250 and got it installed. They come in options that are over the bed rail or tucked inside the bed, either way you want. They come in sections that are plastic, 4 or 5 pieces. They come in roll away like a garage door. So if you're interested in something like this, I'll put some links in the description below to the different styles, and then I'll put a link to my install video. I just finished installing this. Really easy. They're convenient, they're nice to have, especially living in a snowy climate like I do here. So, thanks for watching.